In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Google Slides. Launch your Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Slides. Let's open a document. As you all know, Google Slides does not have the option for dark mode, so we have to use an extension for this. Let's open a new window. In the search bar, search for Dark Reader Chrome extension. This is the website that we are looking for. If you cannot find it, don't worry. I will add the link in the description. Click on Add to Chrome. In the pop-up menu, click on Add Extension. This will take you to another page. Close the page and go back to the Google Slides window. Here you can see that Google Slides is now in dark mode.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.